Hi Dayan, how much will you spend in Baguio?
1,000.
Hi Leng, how much will you spend in Baguio?
1,500.
Hi Clyde, how much will you spend in Baguio? Lay, how much will you spend in Baguio?
Ron, how much will you spend sa Baguio?
2K.
Weh.
2K.
Okay.
Alexa, how much will you spend in Baguio?
Wala. Wala lang ako for the experience. Wow. 3,029 pesos.
1981 may 19 pesos pa ako.
Ano?